Hey guys, my name is Fancy Dragon, and today we're going to be making a voiceover for a speedrun to complete all of a Forging Bonds as fast as possible. So, this speedrun is basically just how fast can you get 3,500 affinity on all four of the characters listed in a Forging Bonds. The time for this is around like 40-ish minutes. It's like 43, I think, is the general estimate for the speedrun, but pretty much it's just completing all the Forging Bonds as much as possible. We're skipping all of the dialogue just because it's the fastest thing to do, and I'm using Pass Auto Battle just to ensure that I'm going through as fast as humanly possible. I'm sure Pass isn't necessary for this, but it's generally helpful just to use for just speeding through battles. So I'll talk a little bit about my team real quick, and then I'll get into kind of what the strategy is. My team consists of an AoE spamming base cap. I did end up getting a Principal's Echo, so I put that on my base cat, and she can effectively just spam 3 CD specials whenever possible. Like you'll see right here, she immediately gets it. And because of Special Spiral, it's now going to be up permanently. Unfortunately, obviously, this doesn't come with the fact that she gets close counter, so you can't really beat up those melee characters. I'll talk a little bit more about that in the gameplay section, but
don't sweat the small stuff.
As of right now, that is like the build for Thief Cap. And then, as you can see, I also use the Summer Female Allure and Base Female Allure. Summer Female Allure just has a standard Dragon tank setup. It's basically just having a Speed of the Scowl setup alongside Breath of Life 4, which guarantees her healing whenever her combat is in effect. I do have Counter Roll on her as well, which, if I did have High Dragon Roll, I think that would absolutely be the replacement option. I think High Dragon Roll is really good. I am very sad I didn't get any coins for that. But yeah, I mean, once I get High Dragon Roll, I think the build's going to be basically complete. And I also do have my Base Female Allure, which just has a standard Godlike Lagoon's Friend setup. It's pretty basic for a character this caliber. I also do have the Odd Speed Wave 4 on her, which is, honestly, I really like that skill. I like the fact that it gets NFU. It helps that Base Female Allure doesn't have it in her base kit, so I can just run that and have the NFU built in regardless, so she becomes a pretty decent speed Omni tank. And yeah, then the last character would be Attuned Peony, who just has basically just her base kit. There's nothing really too much to talk about that. She's mostly there just to give action economy. Yeah, dancing characters just to, give them more actions, just like there. And it's pretty much just meant to, just move through maps as fast as possible. Now, the gameplay is pretty much just auto-battling and just seeing how fast you can clear maps. As you can see, there have been some times where it's actually been a bit of an issue, specifically with Beast Cat and later on Attuned Peony. So, obviously, Base Cat doesn't have close counter, so she can't really counterattack stuff like melee characters, as seen right there. She can counterattack range characters, and she's normally fine against them, despite the fact that she has double life and death. But this does also goes vice versa for Attuned Peony, who doesn't have DC. If I did have to make improvements to this, I'd probably just put Attuned... I give Attuned Peony a DC skill, which he does have, I just don't have it equipped. And yeah, there's a good example where she tanks a hit from, I believe, Tina. And, she can't counter back, so she just doesn't get the kill there. So, I think if I did have to change this up, I'd probably put a DC skill on Peony. I'd also probably just get rid of Base Cat in general. The reason why she's there is just because I wanted to try out the build. The best setup for this would probably just be running Attuned Peony with 3 Omni tanks. So if I had, I guess Brave Felix could be a good one. I could put Brave Felix in here over Base Cat, and it'd be infinitely more effective. But I just wanted to use Base Cat for this. So, there's no specific reason. But yeah, pretty much most of the gameplay is just me spamming on battles, and then letting the Fey Auto battle go through the non-battle stuff, because that actually goes through pretty fast, and it helps that I don't need to click the same area multiple times. Because as you can see, I'm clicking a lot just to get through, like, the maps and stuff. So it's just easier to
I feel so energized.
let the Fey Pass do its job there. So that's probably the only thing that'd stop you from, you know, having, not having Fey Pass. Just because of that, really. But that's pretty much most of the gameplay stuff. I guess I can talk about why I haven't really been uploading. I get, it kind of does coincide with the gameplay stuff now that I think about it, but the best way I can describe it is it's literally just... The best way I can describe it is... It's hard to say that every character is good nowadays. Because, you know, I'm basically saying it every reaction, where it's literally just, oh, this character's busted. Oh, this character seems really good for this mode. And I'm also not someone who can consistently, like, predict, oh, this character's gonna be good in this mode. I've tried recording this, like, voiceover segment a few times now, and I think I've been trying to figure out the best way to describe my situation, and it really is just the fact that it's just gotten repetitive. It's gotten incredibly repetitive to do this similar stuff, and a lot of the time, this goes for clears as well, that's kind of why I stopped doing them. It frankly just came from the fact that it just became very repetitive and very mind-numbing. I guess mind-numbing is the best way to describe it, because it's really just like, okay, I see this new, like, mythic hero battle, legendary hero battle come out, okay, I'm just gonna run 2 cats and see what happens, or I'm just gonna run, like, 3 Allirs and see if I win. And it's really just gotten to a point where I don't really want to do them anymore. And this is also the same, I won't say the same, I won't, like, obviously say exactly what they were thinking, but I was talking about this with my editor as well, and they kind of shared similar thoughts. So we kind of just both kind of stopped for now. It doesn't help that I've had IRL stuff happening as well. Like, my job is literally starting next Tuesday as of this recording. So there's that I'm focusing on. And alongside that, I just haven't really like been on Fae that much. There's been other games that I've been playing, and I've considered wanting to play. Oh, there's a good example of the Fae Pass running out, and I have to manually do this. Like, this is a manual auto battle. But it really is just... I haven't really been spending much time in Fae. I've been playing other games, both non-gacha and gacha. There's just been a lot of fun non-gacha video games that have come out, and I've been spending more time on them. I've been playing other gachas as well, like Dokkan Battle has been having its, like, Roleplay Download Celebration, which I might make a video on if I remember to do that, but it's just not, like, Fae hasn't been a priority of mine as of recent, so it's been tough to just kind of make videos on it, I guess. That's the best way I could describe it. But yeah, that's pretty much been the main reason why I haven't been uploading. I might come back, though. I was thinking about it, and I want to do possibly, like, speedrun and challenge content for this game. Because I do like this game. I do think Fae is a fun game as well. Incredibly repetitive, but pretty fun still. So, I might try to find other ways to play this game. But, I mean, that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. I might come back here and there just to talk a little bit about what's happening in the run, but yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the main points that I wanted to get across. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I mean, pretty much the rest of this video is just gonna be Fae ASMR, I guess is the best way to describe it. Fae sound effect ASMR. Oh, here's a good example. Here's a funny thing. On a map like this, it just gives you 4 flying units, and the game is really adamant on putting Peony in there because she's a flyer and she can take them out a lot, like, faster than any of my other infantry characters. So they just, like, forcefully put her in in range instead of, I don't know, one of my other two Omni tanks who could have just walked in. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. I've just been... I might just let the rest of this run. Again, I'll probably pop in here and there just to explain a little bit on what's happening in the run. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the speedrun. I'll see if I can make more content on this game. Maybe I'll come back, who knows. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you guys in a bit.
I feel so energized. Guided by summer. I feel so energized. Oh, let's. Guided by summer. I've got this. Rest your eyes. All right. Don't sweat the small stuff. Oh, let's. Rest your eyes. Oh, let's. All right. I am guided by the emblems. Don't sweat the small stuff. I feel so energized. Guided by summer. All right. Don't sweat the small stuff. I feel so energized. All right, all right. Guided by summer. I feel so energized. Guided by summer. I've got this. I am guided by the emblems. I've got this. Don't sweat the small stuff. I am guided by the emblems. I've got this. I feel so energized. Guided by summer. I am guided by the emblems. Rest your eyes. Oh, let's. All right, all right. I feel so energized. Rest your eyes. Oh, let's. Don't sweat the small stuff. Rest your eyes. Guided by summer. I've got this. Oh, let's. I am guided by the emblems. All right, all right. I've got this. Don't sweat the small stuff. I am guided by the emblems. All right, all right. Don't sweat the small stuff. All right, all right. I've got this. Rest your eyes. Don't sweat the small stuff. All right, all right. Oh, let's. I am guided by the emblems. Don't sweat the small stuff. All right, all right. Rest your eyes. I've got this. Don't sweat the small stuff. All right, all right. I am guided by the emblems. Don't sweat the small stuff. I feel so energized. All right, all right. Don't sweat the small stuff. All right, all right. I've got this. Oh, let's. Don't sweat the small stuff. Rest your eyes. Oh, let's. I am guided by the emblems. I've got this. All right, all right. Rest your eyes. Don't sweat the small stuff. Guided by summer. energized! Don't sweat the small stuff! Guided by summer! Alright, alright! Don't sweat the small stuff! I feel so energized! Oh, let's... Guided by summer! I feel so energized! Guided by summer! Rest your eyes. I feel so... Alright, alright! Don't sweat the small stuff! Oh, let's... Alright, alright! I am guided by the emblems. Guided by summer! I've got this. I am guided by the emblems. I feel so energized. Rest your eyes. got this. I am guided by the emblems. Don't sweat the small stuff. Oh, let's. Guided by summer. I've got this. All right, all right. I feel so energized. Rest your eyes. Don't sweat the small stuff. I am guided by the emblems. Oh, let's. Guided by summer. Rest your eyes. Oh, let's. All right, all right. I've got this. Don't sweat the small stuff. All right, all right. I am guided by the emblems. I've got this. energized. Rest your eyes. Don't sweat the small stuff. All right, all right. Guided by summer. Oh, let's. I am guided by the emblems. Don't sweat the small stuff.